The Pan American Health Organization says the risk of yellow fever is high in the Americas. The risk assessment came with the continual rise of human cases. So far in 2025, there have been 8 times more cases than in the same period last year.
We need to rethink vaccination campaigns, even prioritize vaccination in some cases because there is a scarcity of vaccines in the region.
Yellow fever is a viral disease transmitted to humans by infected mosquitoes. Colombia, Bolivia, Brazil, Guyana, and Peru have all reported an increase in cases. Symptoms include fever, muscle pain, headache, nausea, and vomiting, to severe symptoms, which include liver damage and bleeding. And it can be lethal. Unlike other mosquito-borne viruses, yellow fever has a high mortality rate. Since September 2024, Colombia's health ministry says the fatality rate has been more than 45%.
La vacunación es para todas las edades.
Colombia's President Gustavo Petro declared a health emergency in April and set a 2-month deadline to vaccinate more than 2 million citizens. Zulma Cucunua, the director of the Institute on Public Health at Bogotá's Javeriana University, says this is the largest outbreak in Colombia in the last 20 years. She says up until June 8th, there have been 105 cases and 45 resulted in deaths.
The vaccination rates are still very low in adults older than 20 years of age. And when we see the cases in Colombia, they're primarily in adults and very few children who were not vaccinated.
The Pan American Health Organization has expressed particular concern that cases have appeared outside the Amazon region, near densely populated areas, increasing the risk of an urban outbreak.
Since primates are very sensitive to this virus, wherever deaths begin to appear means that there is an active outbreak. That is a strategy Brazil has been using to monitor since their last outbreak in 2018.
Neighboring countries like Ecuador are taking preventative measures and requiring yellow fever vaccination from passengers arriving from those countries. Michelle Begue, CGTN, Bogotá, Colombia.